I am using heat resistant tape. I got it from Amazon. I can put a link in the description. It's really easy to find. It's a couple bucks. And then I ordered a t-shirt ruler, but I'm not sure about it. It does help compared to the other ones that are only a couple inches on each side. Um, and I'm just not sure about it. So you might have to find your own ruler. But this is what I bought, and I can put a link in the description for that too. So I ordered my decals in the way that I'm going to press. So I have my first layer here, and then my second, third, and fourth, and there's going to be a small fifth layer. So I did that because I like everything in order, especially when you're using a vinyl machine, heat transfer machine. You want to make sure that you're not distracted at all. And my machine is now ready, and we're ready to press. You want to make sure when you put your t-shirt on your pad to make sure that the seam is not on where you're going to press. This isn't too bad. But if you don't, it won't press evenly. I'm searching for a t-shirt pillow. I found a couple on Amazon with some iffy reviews, so I'm going to do some more research and get one myself. I'm going to put on my Teflon sheet that came with my vinyl. Now, this is already set for 20 seconds, but we are not going to press the first layer for 20 seconds. We're only going to press for maybe, 5 seconds. It's just enough for the vinyl to start to adhere to the t-shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to peel off the first sheet. And if it doesn't stick all the way, you're going to press it again, so don't worry about that. So now I'm going to take each of my colors for my knives, and I'm going to place them on the knives that I have here. These are carving knives. I don't want the word choices heat. I don't want to press that word yet again until maybe the fourth press, because it actually is pretty good right now, but we're going to press the second layer. So I've pressed the second layer for about 8 seconds, probably a little bit too long, but it's okay. I'm going to start peeling off the carrier sheets of the second layer. Next, I'm going to press the third layer and add my Teflon sheet again. I'm going to do this for just about 5 seconds. Okay, so this is the final. Oh, it did not take. Okay, so I messed up big time. So 2 or 3 things. This particular piece was apparently not adhered at all, so when I pushed it or tried to pick it up, it adhered, as you can see. I pushed it and it went doot, and I'm like, oh no. So then the green one did not do right, the one that was right here. And another thing you can see, I hope you can see all these bubbles. There's tons of bubbles. This one's okay. There's no bubbles on this one. But this one, and this one has tons of bubbles. The word choices is perfect. I only did that for 5 seconds, and it's perfect. It's not coming up or no bubbles or anything. But, yeah. So I failed. I messed up my shirt. But I might wear it anyway. Hopefully you can learn from my mistakes. I'm thinking maybe 320 was too high. I've heard of people using 320. Some people use 305. I might try that next time. But 320 is too high for this particular vinyl. It's HTV or HTV font. I'll have to find out the name. And I will put it in the description. But I don't know. Maybe it's the vinyl. Maybe it's user error, which most likely is user error because this is my first time doing a layered T-shirt, and it looks like I have to learn a lot. But thank you for watching anyway, and hopefully you can learn from my mistakes.